Hi everyone, in today's lesson we are going to evaluate this expression at your view over here. This is a mixed fraction with a proper and improper fraction. So we want to evaluate what will be the value for this expression. And to do this, we are going to use the approach of the BODMAS or PEDMAS as it is said. The BODMAS refer to the B as bracket, the O as order, D division, M multiplication, E addition, S subtraction, which is commonly used in the UK and other Commonwealth countries, while the pemdas, which is referred to parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, is mostly used in the US. So we are going to use this to approach the expression in order to get a final value. So let's begin.
But before we dive into the lesson, let me quickly show you something shocking from my YouTube analytics. 97.9% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Imagine if everyone clicked that subscribe button. We'd be unstoppable. Be part of the 2.1% that actually support the channel. That means you are the difference. If you enjoy these lessons and want me to keep creating more, hit the subscribe button and join our growing family of learners. Let's flip that 2% into 20% together. Subscribe now and let's grow together. Let's get back to the video.
Solution. So we have to deal with this according to the order of operation using the BODMAS or PEDMAS. So we have 5 over 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 over 9 divided by 2 over 6 over 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 all over 3 over 11 plus into brackets 11 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 5 close the bracket to the power of 2 minus 7 over 5. So according to the order, we are going to deal with the bracket first. So our next step becomes equal to this will give us 125 over 4 over 8. 2 to the power of 3 will give us 8. 5 to the power of 3 give us 125. So we have 125 over 8. This is 8. So we have minus 2, then over 9 divided by, we deal with this bracket as well, 2 to the power of 2 give us 4. Then we have 3 to the power of 2 also give us 9 multiplied by 2, 3 over 2 over 3 over 11 plus, then we deal with the bracket. Okay, this we cancel with this, so we now have 11 over 5 into bracket to the power of 2 minus 7 over 5, and this, according to the order, we are going to deal with the division first. So we have that to be equal to 125 over 8 minus 2 over 9. Now this becomes multiplication, while this side is going to flip. So we now have 9 over 4. Then multiply by 3 over 2. All over 3 over 11 plus, then this bracket, if we open the bracket with the square, we now have 121 over 25. So 11 to the power of 2, 121. 5 to the power of 2, 25. Then minus 7 over 5. Now this cancel out with this. We have to be equal to 125 over 8 minus 2 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 2, all over 3 over 11 plus 121 over 25 minus 7 over 5. So over here, 2 here 1, 2 here will give us 2. So we have that to be equal to 125 over 8 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, all over 3 over 11 plus 121 over 25 minus 7 over 5. This multiplied by this and this multiplied by this according to the order. So we have 125 over 8 minus 3, then over 4, all over 3 over 11 plus 121 over 25 minus 7 over 5. So from here, or from the denominator first, we make this denominator from the upper numerator, we make them the same. So by multiplying what we equate the denominator over here to be equal to 8. So and that will give us to multiply by 2, then multiply by 2. So we now have the next step to become 125 over 8 minus 3 multiplied by 2, we have 6, over 4 multiplied by 2, we have 8, all over 3 over 11 plus 121 over 25 minus 7 over 5. So we can now subtract this. So if we subtract this, then we are going to have that to be equal to 125, then minus 6, all over 8 over 3 over 11 plus 121 over 25, then minus 7 over 5. So if we subtract this, that will give us 125 minus 6 will be given by 119 over 8, all over. Now from this down part, the expression over here, so we can either go through this first or go through this first. So we make the denominator similar. So we make the denominator similar. So either I'll make the denominator of this side similar then we resolve this, then we now add it to this, or this first, then we now subtract with this. So we now have our next step to be 3 over 11 plus 121 over 25, then minus 7 over 5. So from our expression over here, so if we were to follow the order of operation, then we consider the addition before the subtraction. So to do that, then we have to make this the same denominator. So by multiplying this with this first, so that step give us, this step give us 119 over 8, then over 3 multiplied by 3 over 11, then plus 121 over 25, then minus 7 over 5. So just as we said, we multiply this, so the whole of this give us 11 multiplied by 25 is going to give us 275. So what we multiply with 11 to give us 275, and what we multiply with 25 to give us 275 is what we are going to do now. So and that will give us 11 multiplied by 25, and we do the same thing for the numerator, 3 multiplied by 25. Then for this side we have 25 multiplied by 11, then 121 multiplied by 11. So we find the value for this, so we have that to be equal to 119 over 8 all over, if we multiply this, and that will give us 75 over 275, then plus, if we multiply this, we have 1331 over 275, then minus 7 over 5. So here we can now add this together. So we have 119 over 8 all over, this will now give us 775 plus 1319, 1331 over 275, then minus 7 over 5. So if we add this together, we have 119 over 8, then over this plus this will give us 1406, then over 275 minus 7 over 5. Now from here we can now resolve this. So we want to make this the same. Okay, we want to make this denominator the same as well. So what we multiply to give us 275, or to make the denominator the same, is what we are going to do. So, and to do that, we are going to multiply this by 55 and this by 55. So we have the next step to be 119 over 8 all over 1406 over 275 minus 7 multiplied by 55, then over 5 multiplied by 55, and that will be equal to 119 over 8 all over 1406 over 275, then minus, this will now give us 7 multiplied by 55, we have 385 over, this will also give us 275, and that is equal to 119 over 8 all over. So we have 275. Then we have 1406 minus 385. That will be equal to 119 over 8 all over. So this subtract this from this, and we have 1021 over 275. So this can now be written as 119 over 8 divided by 1021 over 7275. So considering division of fraction, so this will be changed to multiplication. So we have 119 over 8 multiplied by changing it to multiplication, then we flip this other side over here. This comes up and this comes down. So we now have 275 up, then 1021 down. So if we multiply this and this together and this together, we are going to have that to be equal to 119 multiplied by 275 over 8 multiplied by 1021. So that will be equal to, if we multiply the whole of this, then we have 32725 all over 2 multiplied by 1021. So we also have 8168. And if we simplify this so to a mixed number, so we are going to have that to be equal to 4 whole number, okay, 53 over 8168. And if we want to express it as decimal number, so we can have it at approximately value of 4.006. Hope you enjoy this lesson. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video to your loved one, subscribe, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.